I'm John Barry, Sales Manager in the BizCom division of Sennheiser, part of the UK and Nordic team.
My name's Inesh Patel. I'm Business Development Manager here at Sennheiser UK, and I look after the UK and Ireland region.
My name is Jonathan Cunningham. I've been with proAV for 19 years and I'm a Senior Business Manager, and I've been working with Aston University for the last 8 years.
I'm Trevor Bayliss. I'm the Technical Director within Digital Services at the University, and I look after all the infrastructure, which includes audiovisual. The University has a large number of teaching spaces across the campus. The teaching spaces were all created at different times with different technologies, different ways of using the rooms. So the AV Refresh project was aimed at making those a standard for everyone.
We developed a proof of concept room where we had numerous different types of technologies that were put in there to test and to try out and see what worked and what didn't work. The solutions were based around Crestron MVX products as the core, and a significant part of the project with the Sennheiser MobileConnect and TeamConnect solutions, which really worked for us in a lot of the teaching rooms.
The Sennheiser TeamConnect solution was selected for this project due to its flexibility, high quality audio, and the ability to ingest great audio into the complete audio chain. It covers quite a large area as well, so it reduces the need for lots and lots of different smaller microphones, for instance. So the fact that the quality is there, the flexibility is available, it benefits both the student, the user, i.e. the lecturer in this case, as well as the integrator. It's less kit to install and still providing high quality audio for the benefit of the users.
It took us a while to find the right technology. We tried a number of solutions, but certainly things like the Sennheiser MobileConnect provided that, allowed any student to be able to gain access to it in any space.
With MobileConnect, we can start with the products that came before. So initially we had infrared and loop systems. Although they're great technology, things have moved on from those points. The user would often have to wear a cumbersome device around their neck, and that would make them feel self-conscious. Also, with the advancement of technologies, we kind of thought, well, we have Wi-Fi and we have smartphones, so how can we use those two together? So from both those technologies was born the MobileConnect. That enables the user to not feel self-conscious, to use a phone that they always have with them, use earbuds or wired earphones, instead of having something rather large around their necks.
We all know that assisted listening is reliant on high quality audio to be captured, and this is where the partnership between the TeamConnect Ceiling 2 microphones as well as the MobileConnect work seamlessly to cater for the users that have to use the space.
I'm Professor Salma Khan. I'm the Deputy Vice-Chancellor Academic at Aston University. I'm in charge of the academic strategy of the university. That means that I look after the student journey from their enrollment to graduation and as they transition into the world of work. Providing accessible education, be it utilizing high-quality technology that we have embedded in this project, are paramount to our success. We can't not be inclusive when we are talking about an education that transforms people's life. There cannot be a disparity of experience between a student who might need a particular intervention through technology because of their neurodiversity, because of their disability. So accessibility in our production of content, delivery of content, and our environment within which we educate is absolutely important, number one objective of this institution, to be inclusive. So I think these technologies are essential for us.
So the partnership between Sennheiser and proAV is very highly valued within the Sennheiser organisation because proAV have been working in the AV industry for many, many, many years. They've got a very good reputation of winning some high-level projects, and the partnership between Sennheiser and proAV has been a solid one, and long may that continue because I do believe we work quite well together.
proAV feel very honoured to actually be reappointed to the framework agreement, which is recently being retendered for the next 3 years. And there's an awful lot of work to come along, and there's some very, very exciting projects to go at Aston.